Hey, it's Nick and Leonidas and Griffin with the Drusillus Happy Home team with what is happening in Seattle real estate for August 2022. So we're starting to see actually some positive trends that are turning a corner after many things have been on a decline. So last week was the first time since May that there were more homes that went under contract than there were newly listed. For a little while there were twice as many homes coming on the market each week as there were selling. It was also the first time that we saw an increase in the list to sales price ratio. So it hit an all-time high of 112% back in March, but then it had been on a decline all the way down to 95% in the first part of August, and now it just increased up to 96%. So that's finally turning a corner as well. We've been seeing a big uptick in showing traffic and open house activity. We've had 3 different clients get involved in multiple offers this last week at $1 million, $300,000, and $500,000. So across many different price ranges, we're seeing that activity as well. And it also seems like there's a lot of pent-up demand right now. Year to date, the sales are the lowest they've been since 2011 for the 4-county area. And so, there's about 43,000 sales so far this year. There's 52,000 this time last year, for instance. So, and the thing is that it really hasn't been a drop-off in jobs or anything like that either. So last month they added over 520,000 jobs, which was nationwide, which was almost double the expectations. So that kind of led to a rally in the stock market. And locally, we've had almost twice the monthly job growth that we've seen over the last 10 years. So last year was crazy in terms of jobs added, but this year it hasn't really dropped off. So I think you have a lot of people that are still on the sidelines waiting to feel confident again. And consumer sentiment is way, way better now than it has been a couple months ago. Gas is $4 a gallon. Everything just seems to kind of mellow out. Interest rates right now are 5.55%. Average days on market is 13 days. And then we're seeing 98% listed sales price ratio for King County. So, and then the Fed Reserve is going to have a meeting here shortly. Following their speech just a few days ago, there was a little bit of a dip in the stock market because it looks like they're going to continue to tighten things down on the monetary policy. So, but if you have any questions, feel free to call, text, visit us online at happyhometeam.com.